Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cluster swap a Chrysler 300. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Next, ensure you have all the necessary tools, such as a trim removal kit, a small socket set, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Having the right equipment makes the process much smoother and helps prevent damage. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful and safe cluster replacement. To begin removing the old cluster, use your trim removal tools to carefully pry off the surrounding dash trim. Work slowly to avoid scratching or breaking any plastic components. Once the trim is off, locate and remove the 2 to 4 screws securing the instrument cluster. With the screws out, gently pull the cluster forward, giving you access to the electrical connectors on the back. Disconnect these by pressing their release tabs. Now take your new instrument cluster and carefully connect all the electrical harnesses to their corresponding ports on the back. Make sure each connection is firm and secure. Gently slide the new cluster into its designated opening in the dashboard, ensuring it sits flush and correctly aligned. Once in place, reinsert and tighten the mounting screws. Finally, snap all the previously removed trim pieces back into position, making sure they are fully seated. After installation, reconnect your negative battery terminal. Turn on your vehicle and thoroughly test all functions of the new cluster, checking lights, gauges, and warning indicators. Be aware that some replacement clusters might require programming or calibration by a dealership or a specialized automotive shop to function correctly with your vehicle's systems. If you encounter any issues, consult your vehicle's service manual. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.